They finally did it! They finally did it! They gave me a lender ship! Yeah! It's about damn time! Get off this damn planet! Oh man, I can't wait. Yeah! I can't wait. Once I get all the checks done and everything on that lender ship, I can get out of here. Go see what the galaxy looks like. I've been down here for over 2 weeks. I don't know what it looks like anymore. I kind of get on top of my ship and I count the stars, but then I fall asleep. But yeah, it's about darn time. Oh, man. I think what did it was I kept telling them that I'm losing accounts because I'm sitting down here doing nothing but twiddling my thumbs. That's all I'm doing. I can't go anywhere. Can't do anything. Just twiddle my thumbs. Like, come on. Gotta give me a ship so I can get out of here. So I can go make some gold press latinum. So I can get stuff paid for. I mean, how am I supposed to pay for a thruster pack unit if they ain't gonna let me off the planet to go make some gold press latinum? Figure that one out. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Galaxy News. Your reporter will be with you shortly.
Good evening, I'm Zion, your reporter for the evening. Breaking news! The Fringy Trader finally got a lender ship, so he can get off that crazy planet to go make some gold press latinum. He's down there complaining, yelling and screaming. He's got to get off the planet so he can make some gold press latinum to pay for his repairs. In the meantime, at Axonar Repair Station, they keep ordering and canceling the thruster pack. Admiral Bullshank does not want the Friggy to have it at all. But Admiral Shepard got involved and decided to order that thruster pack. He's got to have it to get the ship off the planet. So that's why they gave them a lender ship so they can make some gold press latinum. About darn time. Everybody's getting tired of that Fringy selling whatever he's trying to sell them. Haha. That's the news for the evening. Have a good time tonight. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm Zion, your news reporter for the evening. Good evening.
Thank you for viewing Galaxy News. Chief Engineer Red, personal log. My friend contacted me again and told me that the thruster pack has been ordered again. Oh, groovy, groovy. I did a little investigating myself, and Admiral Jim Shepard, he looked at the case of the Fringy and decided, hey, we gotta get this guy fixed. Gotta get him off the planet. Gotta get him back to work so he can pay for that thruster pack. It might take time. It might take, who knows how long it's going to take. It'll take a long time to get that thruster pack paid for. So, Jim Shepard called the ordering depot and said, hey, go ahead and order that under his authority. Man, when Bullshank hears about that, the bull's gonna hit the wall. Oh, man, oh man, oh man. Oh, I hate to be a fly on that wall. I might get some Bullshank over me. Whoa! Ooh, buddy. Oh man. Just thinking about it just drives me nuts. Chief Engineer Red's personal log, out. Oh no! Oh no, man. This ain't no laughing matter. Oh, not at all. No laughing matter at all. No! No! Admiral Jim Shepard reinstated the order. Why? Why? The brig ain't gonna pay for that thruster pack. Why reinstate the order? He don't need it. Keep that ship down on an external planet and salvage that sucker. That ship is so old, even no one can figure out the age of that ship. Of course, the frigate trader knows how old that ship is, and all he kept saying is, it's pretty old. Oh, man. Why did Admiral Jim Shepard, ordered that thruster pack? Oh, Bullshank is not going to be happy about this. Oh, no, not at all. No, no, no.
Oh no. Oh no. Why did Admiral Shepard have to interfere? Why did he have to interfere? Had it all planned out and everything. Had that mechanic at Axnar Station messing around with Father Fringy's thruster pack. I wanted that ship to be disabled at all times. Why did Admiral Shepard have to interfere? Why? I paid that mechanic down there. Good. Go press Latinum. It went to waste. Oh my goodness. That damn mechanic don't know if he's coming or going. He's probably showing his head again, too. He's always bumping his head in places he shouldn't be. Oh, yeah. Crap. Well, I hope the heck they don't find out that mechanic was the destructor of Father Fringy's thruster pack. Because they'll come after me. They'll come after me! And I'll be a wanted android. Well, I better head to deep space and hide for a while. Because it don't look too good at all. My neck will be cut. Try to trust humans. As Father Finger would say, humans. Oh, man. Crapola. Well, I guess that's it for me. I guess if I ever get caught, I'll plead the fifth.
It's blocking the way. Quite unnecessary to raise your voice, Mr. Bailey.
Oh yeah, look at this ship. That's a lender ship. Yeah. Man. I got a big old view screen out there I can look at. I just have a little tiny hole. That's what she said. Oh. hell, sometimes I don't know when I'm coming or going. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is a heck of a nice ship here. Man, nice and roomy. Too nice for me. Yeah, I was gonna go ahead and get all my stuff and put in here, but the cargo hold is too small. So I got my pad out and gotta get the thumbprint on the pad, make it a legal transaction. But I did have room for some blood wine. And the Klingon commander that I've been dealing with lately, he made me an honorary member of his house because he says, hey, that damn Fringy trader, he gives me good blood wine, the best around. Well, I ain't telling my secrets where I get it at, but it's costly, and I barely break even, but keep a customer happy all these years. Yeah. I was told this is a general's house, so. Oh, yeah. I don't know what general. Don't really care, but hey, I got me some costume I can wear. Yeah. Kind of make me feel like I'm in Starfleet. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, let's get cracking here and get going and go make some gold press latinum. Yeah.
Captain's Log Supplemental. Finally, after 2 weeks of being stranded on planet Exnar, the Ferengis are able to leave the planet. Without Admiral Shepard authorizing the reorder of the thruster pack, the Ferengis would have been completely out of business. And for the 2 weeks they've been disabled, they've been losing a lot of income because they're not able to do the regular route. And I know they have been losing several customers, and that's also going to cut down on their income. And with that loadership, they'll be able to start doing their routes again and start bringing in some more gold plus platinum for them to pay for the repairs that are coming up. And if it wasn't for Admiral Shepard stepping up and reordering that and getting things going, their future was looking pretty bleak. I am sure there's going to be an investigation onto why the original order was canceled, and hopefully things get cleared out and this never happens again. Because if this happens once to the Ferengis, it could happen to others. And Starfleet Command has to stay on top of this so this never happens again. Things are starting to look up really good for the Ferengis, and hopefully this will continue for the future for them to make it gold press latinum. Captain Mark, commanding the USS Crytek, out.
Red alert, 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 red alert.
Yn galw achub starflet. Yn galw achub starflet. Yn galw achub starflet. Starflet ydych chi'n darllen. Starflet ydych chi. Rwy'n gofyn am gymorth. Peiriannau ystod wedi methu a drifft yn y maes asteroidau. Starflet ydych chi'n darllen mwy na. Yn adrodd peiriannau ystod i lawr esgogiad a chynnal bywyd yn methu. Clwb ffwngaidd rhyfedd yn ymddangos ar ein mandigles a rhanbarthau neffer. A mae halogiad yn hyfleister at gyfeirio ferengi. Mae'r criw yn profi trasiad colifyn difrifol, a glif asid da achosi organau atgenhadwy, yn gofyn am achub ar unwaith, gormod o bwysau ar gyfleusterau echdynnu gwastraff, yn gefnu ystorfa ffren ffres. Argymell cwarantin ar unwaith o ddefo at gyfeirio cysefin ferengi beta quadrant. Argymell atafelu ar unwaith ar yr holl staff yn nebo at gyfeirio cysefin ferengi beta quadrant. Tailsedotes a bach lamse difyr, ac ille difyr i gnafyddech. Mae cysig yn mynd ac yn mynd fel wydle lams o bled bled. Starlet ydych chi'n darllen. Starlet ydych chi, rwy'n gofyn am gymorth. Peiriannau ystod wedi methu a drifft yn y maes asteroidau. Starlet ydych chi'n darllen mwy na. Anglapiodd y mwnci i gynffon o amgylch bolyn y faner a gadael i'r glaswellt byddyd i fyny ei astroleg. Yngell uwchlawd y roedd caega mae yna arogl ofnadwy, yr hen di allan segur, yr ydym yn ei alw yn cornell. Dylog noson dda ar olaf, croeso i sioe Capten Unity. Ni weill gwestiwn Capten Unity Tunite byddwn yn Camden Scoti'r 37 Commodore a Pleasant felly y cef gyda. Yn hyd ag adyn nosonau, na'n cyd pelosi cortex a chlysurog Alexandria.
So, it looks like the Frankie got his motorship. But it shall not last long, Frankie. The parade will soon be coming to an end. Mark my words. Oh, Engineer Red, how cute. You're so happy that the thruster pack has been ordered for the Ferengi. And Jim Shepard, you think you're gonna get in the way of foiling my plans? Your efforts are futile. They're worthless. They'll do nothing. I will win. And Bull Shank, did you know I'm working with him to prevent the Ferengi from succeeding in his plans? Well, guess what? We are. I am. We are going to make sure the Ferengi does not succeed. Does the Ferengi also know that his thruster pack is not needed because his ship's so old, because he's broke, and his ship cost, oh, I don't know, probably $100. That's because the Ferengi is cheap. He has no gold press platinum. He strives and he struggles to succeed, and it all fails. Sci-fi. How sweet of you. You spent all that gold press platinum to stop the Ferengi and your plans got foiled. But guess what? Your plans will always be inferior to mine. You shall never change the recall. And with that said, you shall see my wrath on foiling the Ferengi's plans.
I saw that damn footage I did, so I gotta do it over again. Now I forget what the fuck I was doing. What? You think this was funny, hanging upside down like this? Come on, get me down. Really? Oh my. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.